Hi kids. Okay, best I can do. It's about to pour outside, so it's dark in here, and I'm sorry I'm constantly saying that, but I am about ready to give up filming altogether. I have tried everything, and I just can't seem to get it right unless I figure out a different way or a different place to film, and right now that's just not going to happen. So as promised, Wantable is here. It's pretty heavy. I'm guessing that usually means jeans or sweaters, and I think I put a couple things on my stream if I remember. It's been a while. I think there was a stripy cardi I was kind of interested in. So, oh, big bundle. There we go. There's our insides. Inside is everything in here. See how too bright it is? You can't even see that. And then I'm not super bright. And then, of course, again, $5 for Hello Fresh. Hello Fresh, right? No, this is called Green Chef. Sorry. Okay, let's see what my stylist is Rachel. Not going to read that yet because I think she mentioned some things that might be in here. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. 7 pieces before looking at them. The total price is $4.35. Black Friday tiered discount. What does that mean? I'm not sure. It's $174. Here it is. Here's the explanation. Okay, the more you keep, the more you save. Keep 3 to 4, save 20%. Keep 5 to 6, save 30%. Keep 7, save 40%. Okay, that's, I guess, the tiered discount. So the $174 is clearly on all of them. I would have to figure out the price, given how many I want to keep. But with that discount, with my $20, 7 pieces comes down to $241. A lot different than Transcend, huh? Okay, let's get to seeing what's in here. Send back bag. Okay, first up, okay, wait a minute, there's 2 pieces here. Okay, little top, really pretty print. I like this print. It's got the little bar across the back or the front. I'm not super sure. I hope it's not the front. It's the front. Okay, so wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, this is the front. I usually don't like things across my neck like that on shirts. I can't get this right. But we'll see what happens. Maybe it's one of those that you could flip over to the back. I don't know. But it's really a cute, pretty, jersey, stretchy top. And then this other piece, okay, I guess this goes with it. Oh, no, it's 2 pieces. I'm sorry. They were all kind of stuck together. Okay, this is just a black, basic black shirt. Yeah, just basic black Wantable tee. Their stuff is kind of overpriced, but it's a tunic, black tunic, nice. You can never have enough tunics because that means you can wear more leggings, right? Okay, so there are those. Excuse me. I think I might have streamed this. Okay, this is just a stripy little baseball tee. It's olive green on the sleeves and around the neck, and gray and white stripy. Totally would wear this, but I think I have something already pretty similar. I'll have to check. And this too is by Wantable. Excuse me. I just had some Mexican food. Okay, next up, this looks like I think it's a dress. I haven't gotten a dress in excuse me, any of my boxes in a very long time. And right now I don't understand this. I'm sure it's all bunched up for a reason once I get it on. It's gray. Looks like it's pretty long. This is by Z Supply. I didn't know they made dresses, so heck, you never know. Not sure what to say about this. It's nubby. It's got a nice feel. Looks kind of wintry, even though it is short sleeve. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. More stripy. Okay. Cardigan. Stripy cardigan. Stripy cardigan. Really nice color. I do like it. I don't have black and white stripe. I do have black with wide stripes. This is not black and white. I'm sorry. This is black and gray. That's kind of cool. Who is this by? Is this by Wantable too? This is by Wantable too. So they sent me a bunch of Wantable pieces. Not sure why. Maybe they're trying to get rid of them. Okay, next up is really nice oatmeal sweater. Little button details. Again, not sure if this is distracting for interpreting, but it would be for casual wear. It's long, very long. Maybe it's a dress. I don't know. I'll have to read the everything. I don't know. What the heck is this? I'm looking forward to finding out. It might be some kind of cardigan coat. Oh, are there pockets? Nope, no pockets. So we'll find out what that is when we read it and stuff. And, you know, I still don't understand why I continuously say, do not send me any blue jeans. And people keep sending me blue jeans. Okay, don't need them, don't want them. These are a light wash by Meritage. I will put them on just to put them on, but don't want them, don't need them. They don't necessarily look skinny. They look like straight legs. I swear I've already got these jeans in a previous box, but let's see what we got here. Okay, excuse me. Rachel says, hi Desiree, this is a great time to stock up on some seasonal favorites. The V-neck black printed tee looks great with the super skinny ankle jeans for a fun fall look. And that's all she says, and then the description on the percentages off. Okay, so here they all are. Not like you can read them, right? Because it's too bright. I don't understand this. Tried the white balance, tried everything. I know, and you're tired of hearing me bitch about it. Okay, most expensive thing. The Wantable nope. The ankle jeans for $88, and then the Wantable cardigan for $78. It is that cardigan I did request, and it looks like the oatmeal cardigan. It is a cardigan I did request as well. Okay, so we will get to trying these on. Oh, I wanted to show you something real quick. Excuse me. Okay, so this morning I was just looking for black jeans, and I happened upon Old Navy online, and please excuse me. Oh, this is a Trendsend shirt from years ago. Anyway, I'm so distracted. That's a CVS receipt. Okay, and they had black jeans on sale online for $10. $10. I think they were normally $40. $10. So I put them in my bag and said I'll pick them up this afternoon. So I just picked them up. I'm going to try these on too. They are a size 2, and you know Old Navy sizes are wackadoo. This is the super skinnies Old Navy. So we're going to try these on. And I also got this really pretty color mustard, I guess. I don't like yellow, but I don't mind mustard sweater. With the little flecks in it, I thought was kind of cute, very warm and comfy. And this was also on sale from 40 to 20. So they're having a big 50% off some items. And I probably could have gone crazy, but I just didn't want to because I've gotten all these boxes. I've got enough for now. But speaking of getting enough, when I went to check out for my Stitch Fix, they had, hey, try another box by December 5th. And I went, okay. And I think they had waived the styling fee or something. I can't remember, but I said, okay. And I said, my note was, hey, let's have, because of that grommet sweater, I said, send me an edgy box just for fun. So we'll see what we're going to get, hopefully next week. Not sure. Okay, guys, I'll get to trying these on. Again, sorry about what's going on. Hopefully you can see me a little bit better. Okay, bye. Okay, so I've got the little top on. This is by Dex. It's called the V-neck back printed tee for $40. Actually, it's kind of cute. I kind of like it. And then I have the Old Navy jeans on I just bought, and unfortunately, they are too big. So, you know, if I were to go back and get a size 0, it would probably be too small. So, I mean, they're wearable, but they're too much. So let me show you the top at least. And here's the length on the jeans. Let me move that camera a little bit. So I don't have to go back so far. So the length of the jeans are perfect, right at my ankle where I want them. They're loose. They're just too big. And if I were to go a size down, obviously I'm going to have to return them. That they would probably be too tight here. So you know how Old Navy is. They're just weirdos that way. Okay, so I'm going to grab the little, this cardigan. Okay, and this is the ribbed cuff cardigan in Cashew by Design History. This is $68. Oh, what is that funky there? You know, it's bugging me, the tag in the back of this little top. But this is okay. I don't like how this fabric is bunching up. It feels thin and cheap how it's wrinkly like that. Maybe once you kind of got the wrinkles out from it being packaged sending here, it might be a little bit better. But, you know, it's okay cardigan. I'm not super in love with it. I guess I liked it on the stream, but it's not. I do like the details here. There are some things I do like about it, but I'm not so sure I like how easily it is kind of wrinkling and losing this shape. So, okay, be back. Can y'all see that tag? Because I can't see it, I can just feel it. It's driving me crazy. You ever have that? Okay, that's all. Okay, so next up is the Wantable Striped Intermingle 3/4 sleeve baseball tee for $48. And I did put on the Meritage super skinny ankle, and these are in size 26. Cute little outfit. The jeans fit pretty good. Don't need them. Not sure I like so much fading back here. Baseball tee is cute. Okay. How they have cut it where the stripes are, it looks uneven to me. Of course, could be me. But if I get the seams right on the side, I don't know. I know I'm just being picky, but it is, you know, a cute shirt. It's not real thick. It's just almost like a t-shirt. I'm pretty sure it's not worth $48, but you know, it's cute. It's a cute little outfit. Here is the cardigan. This is the Wantable cardigan, textured, can't see, open face cardigan for $78. I like it. Right away, I like it. It fits well. I like the texture. You can feel the bumpiness of it. Boop, 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 boop. Like mine said when you know, run a stick along a fence. Okay, hold on. Okay, yeah. I really like this cardigan. I like the texture of it. I like the pattern of it. I like the colors of it. I think it's pretty cute. It's pretty much one of those, you could throw it on with anything kind of cardigans. Yeah, I like this. This might be a keeper. I'm so flemish, sorry. Okay, next up is the Wantable crewneck dolman for $48. I do like this shirt. It does look a little bit long, but it is soft and it is comfortable, and it is a nice little throw-on black tee. It is kind of casual, but I guess you could trick it out for work. I definitely could. Oh, these jeans don't have pockets. I think they're jeggings. Pockets in the back, none in the front. I gotta have something in the front. Yeah, so this isn't too bad. Again, I'm not sure $48 for a t-shirt. Wantable brand. I don't know why their stuff is so expensive. I would think they would want to cater to a little bit lower price if they want to advertise and sell their stuff, but this really is a nice little shirt. I do like it. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so here's the Z Supply. It's called the Waffle Thermal Twist Dress in the color black. To be honest with you, I don't understand. I don't get it. This is $65. I'm guessing this is one of those pieces that they just can't seem to get rid of. And honestly, it looks like it adds about 5 to 10 pounds to me. This is the weirdest dress. Little front slit. I don't understand this dress. Is it a twist or is it button? Is it a ruched waist or is it... Who knows? So definite no. That's all I'm going to say right here, right now. Well, that was interesting. Not a bad Wantable, other than the dress. That dress was really, really weird. Oh, here's an Old Navy sweater. Oh, this is an extra small. It's a little bit more boxy, but I do like it. Super, super comfy. I don't know. What do you think? I don't understand that dress. That was just the weirdest thing I've ever seen. What I did like in this box is definitely the black and gray cardigan. I will probably keep that. I'm going to have to go over and review their percentage off and stuff because I think you have to keep a minimum of 3 to 4 things to get 20% off. Not sure what happens with 1 to 2. I'm guessing no. But if that were the case, if I were to at least keep 3 things, it would be the cardigan, probably the black top, that black Wantable top, although it is a little bit overpriced, and maybe the little flowered shirt if I could figure out something with that tag that's just bugging me. Yeah, let me know. I'd have to figure out the prices if they were worth it. But that's it for my Wantable box. Hope all is well with you. I start my training next week for my new job that I'm still kind of icky about, but I'll let you know how that goes. So, okay, that's it. Let me know your feedback. I will see you later. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving, by the way, tomorrow, okay?